By rationalizing the denominator, we need to simplify the following. So as per mentioned, what we do is we always, in order to rationalize the denominator, this means that we are making the denominator a rational number. And to do this, we must recognize the conjugate. Okay, so let's look at part A. 5, 1 minus square root 2. What we do is we multiply by the conjugate, which is 1 plus square root 2 over 1 plus square root 2. Okay, and this should give us basically we look at the bottom, it is nothing. What we are employing is nothing but the fact that a minus b, a plus b gives us the identity a squared minus b squared. So if you recognize that so-called this is your a, b, right? Then you should know that the denominator will just be equals to a squared minus b squared. Okay, now for the top, 5 times 1 is 5 square root 2 gives you 5 square root 2. The answer comes out to be 5 plus 5 square root 2 over 1 minus 2. Let me square root to the 2. This gives us 5 plus 5 square root 2 over negative 1. And the answer turns out to be negative 5 minus 5 square root 2. This is part A. Okay. For part B, 3 minus square root 3 over square root 7 minus square root 3. Now similarly, what I do is basically I just multiply by the conjugate, right? By identifying that, just change this minus sign to plus, doesn't matter which conjugate I use. Okay, square root 7 plus square root 3. Okay, and square root 7 plus square root 3. That's a nice rational number. And for the top, do it slowly. First one, that'll be 3 times square root 7. The second one, that's 3 times square root 3, so that's 3 square root 3. Third one, minus square root 3 square root 7, well, it's just a so-called square root 21. And fourth one, okay, number 4, this is square root 3 square root 3, so again it's just equals to 3, right? And so I combine this, I write down my answer, 7 minus 3, this will give us 4 at the denominator, and the top I have 3 square root 7 plus 3 square root 3 minus square root 21 minus 3. Yep, and this will be my answer for part B. Okay, now for part C, what we do realize is that, wow, the term seems like we are not ready to see the conjugate. Okay, so a very simple way would just be first to expand our denominator. Now using the fact that a plus b bracket square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, you can write your answer as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, can, and this gives you, right, combining 1 and 5 gives you 6, combining 2, 1 square root 5 gives you 2 square root 5. Okay, then with that, I mean, if you want to simplify, actually you can even simplify it further. This is the same as 2 bracket 3 plus square root 5, cancel off, get 1. From here, we can now see the conjugate, which is just 3 minus square root 5 over 3 minus square root 5. So you can see that from the start, we were not able to see the conjugate because it was in the bracket form. It was in the bracket form. Okay, it was in the bracket form. We were not able to see the conjugate. But from here, we can see a conjugate quite easily. That's by applying the algebra and by expanding. Okay, so 3 minus square root 5 at the top, just multiply. Okay, the bottom, again, we are employing the fact that a minus b, a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. So this would be a square minus b square, which gives us 3 minus square root 5 over 3 so called 9 minus 5, which is 4 lah. Okay, we are done.